been a while. Life has been crazy, hectic, stressful, all of that. So I haven't really had much time to spend on my planners and journals. I update my daily planner and my work planner, of course, but I'm so behind on journaling, so I feel so bad about that. But I'm sure I'll be able to catch up soon. But anyway, today I have a haul for you guys. I'll do an unboxing as well because life has been stressful. I've been doing a little bit of retail therapy. It always does me good. Well, I think this goes for everyone to do a bit of shopping when you're feeling down, and it really works for me. This is just a little Shopee haul of journaling supplies, planner supplies, and yeah, it actually made me happy this week. I'm glad that I got a delivery almost every day this week, so that's fun. So I'm going to unbox these and show you. I'll zoom you in and we'll get started. Okay, here we go. I have my coffee here as well. It's just a bottled Starbucks mocha frappuccino. I hope you don't mind if I take a few sips every now and then because this is also my coffee break. I'm just having a chill time on a Sunday afternoon as usual, like always. Okay, I'll show you my haul. First up, these Faber-Castell, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, these Faber-Castell markers in pearl, rose, and shiny silver. Aren't these so cute? I can't wait to use these. They're so nice. And I actually discovered these through Pro Planning on Instagram. How do you put the cap back on? She always has these in her posts, so I just had to get myself some. I'm gonna try them out in my journal soon. And then I'm so late to the game on this. I got these tweezers for stickers. I got the really pointy kind. I was hoping for the angled kind, but they were out of stock, so I'm gonna have to make do with this one for now. If you've seen my plan with me videos before, you would know that I love pulling up stickers because I never seem to make up my mind. These are all from Shopee, if you missed that earlier. And then this is adhesive, I think. This is adhesive. Yeah, an adhesive roller. Okay, it seems my camera stopped recording there. I was showing this and how pointy it was. And then I opened up this package, the adhesive roller. Just a little bit hard to put back in. Okay. These are journal paper. They're more like notepads, but you get instant ephemera, like an ephemera pad. And then this is the other one. I kind of like this better than this one because this has kind of a modern aesthetic. I love this little container. That's cute. Oh, there are two. I didn't realize I got two. These are cute. These are journal kits. so fun. Look at those little ephemera things. So yeah, you can cut these up. I don't think, are these stickers? I'm not sure if they're stickers. Let me check. Oh, I think they're stickers, so that's nice. So you get a bunch in one packet. That's so cute. So just more stuff for the journal. Very fun. And then I got another set with a different, I hope it's a different color scheme. Did I get the same one? I think I got the same one. I didn't realize that. Or did the seller make a mistake? I'll have to check. Yeah, I think these are the same. Well, at least I got a lot. I also got this little sticker box of travel stickers. So this is going into my travel journal kit. If you would like to see that video, here's a card for you. It's just a Kipling 100 pence case that I filled with all the things that I need for my travel journal. So yeah, there's a little passport sticker. It's so nice. And yeah, these fun travel stickers. Oh, GPS! That's so cute. These will all definitely come in handy in my travel journal. Nice. So cute. And then these are Korean travel stickers also. These are super cute sticker sheets. I hope they're not all Paris themed. Let's just take the wrapper off. Okay. These are random stickers. And these are the travel ones. That's cute. That's so cute. Can't wait to use these. I guess this is London themed. Oh, there's another Paris one, but more food themed, so I like that. And then this one, just general travel. Love. This is also going into my travel journal kit. Let me show you real quick. This is it. So I will add these in here. And then I was most excited about this one. These are a bunch of planner stickers. Awesome stuff inside. I'm sure there's awesome stuff inside. Forgot who the seller is. I'll check inside if the name's there. Okay, I'm gonna need scissors for this. cute. Handmade and packed with love. Oops. Cute packaging. Oh, okay, so it's the On the Dot shop from Shopee. There's a reward card and some freebies. Cute. Okay, let's get those stickers out. I have to find a way to reuse these. Well, this paper. That's so cute. Okay, let's go through it. So these are the freebies. Just penguins. So fun. And then choose kindness. That's nice. Inhale, exhale. Oh, calendar stickers. It's cute. It's a great idea. More penguins. Oh. Okay, so these are planner stickers. One says Netflix. And then what does the other one say? Stay hydrated. Cute. Yeah, these are also freebies. So fun. These are Filipino expressions. Nice. Thank you so much for the freebies on the .ph. So cute. I'm not sure if I got these. Did I get these? I guess I got some icons. So these are entertainment icons. And then drink icons. For my planner. And then work icons. So cute! And these are flag labels. I love gray. And then I got a skincare sheet. So fun! I love that. I love The Ordinary. So I just had to get this sticker sheet. Okay, coffee break. Meeting stickers. Definitely need these for my work planner. And then habit trackers. Travel stickers. So these are going in my travel journal kit also. I got two because they're so cute. Look, there's a traveler's notebook. And then these are work from home themed stickers. Let me move my coffee. More travel stickers. Another traveler's notebook there. So fun. And then food stickers, I guess, or maybe weekend stickers. I love that. Yeah, that's it. Let me spread these out also so you can see. So fun. This is really making my week, guys. I've been having such a week. And then maybe I should get these out so you can see everything. There is so much in one tiny box. There's more in there. Yeah. Yep. In stacks. Love that. So fun. Yay! Yeah, so there's my haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!